A lot of people seem to struggle with putting the seats on. As a biker, to me it's simple, but then I don't drive cars. So you have 5 points of contact. The 4 main ones you have to worry about are this one, which goes toward the engine, these 2 hooks, and this. This is your lock, which goes here. This way around is how it fits on the bike. This one fits into that hole. These 2 hooks fit here. To put it on without having to break it or smash it, first thing, trust it one-handed, take the key out. Believe me, you lock the key under the seat, you will not be happy. So, position it so that this one fits into this one next to the tank first. Like so. Yes, I'm doing it left-handed. Don't push it down, sit it so it's slightly back. Then push down on the back. And that's it. Your seat is now on. To make sure, just give it a wiggle. And that way you've got your hooked in the front, you're hooked in the sides, and you're hooked where your locking mechanism is. I'm lacking teeth to say mechanism. That is it basically. If you're trying to force it, you're just going to snap bits. And for Christ's sake, don't leave the keys in the thing because you'll just lose them.